The Passage Transit range has gotten a refreshed infotainment framework with a bigger touchscreen. All models get another 12-inch screen running the most recent Sync 4 infotainment framework with an implanted modem, satellite route with improved voice control, and Passage claims 2 times the registering force of the old Sync 3 framework. The bigger screen replaces the old 8.0-inch unit. Moreover, all models get a Sensico leatherette-rapped controlling wheel, while another outside finish attractive joins the variety range. These progressions include what Passage calls the 22.5 MY update, while 23 MY models likewise get a front seat belt update. Passage has expanded costs by somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1,400, contrasted with 22 MY models across the van, transport and taxi undercarriage ranges. The Transit Reach will fill in January to incorporate the electric e-Transit. However, valuing presently can't seem to be reported. The Transit accompanies a normally suction 3.5 LV6, making 275 horsepower and 262 pounds-foot of force, or turbocharged 3.5L EcoBoost V6, with 310 horsepower and 400 pounds-foot, both with a 10-speed program transmission. The e-Transit utilizes an electric engine making 266 horsepower and 317 pounds-foot of force, and its 67 kilowatt-hour battery has a scope of roughly 200 kilometers. The Transit is accessible in back or all-wheel drive, while the e-Transit is back drive as it were. Both the Transit and e-Transit come in 3 body lengths and 3 rooftop levels. The e-Transit's battery is under the floor and doesn't influence freight limit, and Passage says longer range battery choices will be presented in future. It offers a 2.4 kilowatt installed generator that can run power instruments. The Transit has a greatest payload of 4,550 pounds, while the e-Transit van finishes out at 3,800 pounds.